What if I told you that your 100,000 could quietly work for you for 1 year without stress, without noise, and without checking charts every day? Today on Finance with Successful Success, I'll show you step by step how to buy Treasury bills on the Bamboo app. And I'll explain every single term so you understand exactly what your money is doing. Now, we're assuming you already funded your NGN wallet with 100,000. Scroll down on the home page until you see the green and white icon representing Treasury bills. Click on it, then tap the bar that says Find New Treasury Bills. You'll now see different options: 85 days to maturity, 176 days to maturity, 182 days to maturity, and 358 days to maturity. For this example, let's choose 358 days, which is approximately 1 year. This means your money will be invested for almost 12 months. You'll now see a page asking you to enter an amount to invest. Let's enter 100,000. Immediately, some key information will appear. 1. Effective yield. This is the real return on your investment, expressed as a percentage. It tells you how much your money will grow over the investment period, taking into account the price you bought it and the interest earned. In simple terms, effective yield is how hard your money is working for you. 2. Days remaining. This shows how many days are left before the Treasury bill matures. In this case, for 357 days, it means your money will be locked in for 357 days before you receive your full payment. 3. Net interest. This is the actual profit you will earn after any fees have been deducted. It is the money your 100,000 generates over the 357 days. After entering 100,000, click Preview Investment. Now a summary page will appear showing face value. This is the total amount you will receive at maturity. For example, if the face value is 119,000, that is the amount paid back to you when the Treasury bill matures. Effective yield. Again, this shows your percentage return for the full tenor. Expected interest. This is the estimated profit you will earn by the maturity date. It is your projected earnings. Tenor. This simply means the duration of the investment. For this example, 358 days. Days remaining, the number of days left until maturity. Maturity date, this is the exact date your investment ends and your money becomes available. That's the day your face value and interest are paid out. Amount invested. This is the actual money you are committing. In this case, 100,000 minus the custody fee, which is about 99,000 plus. Custody fee, this is a small fee charged for holding and managing your Treasury bill securely. Think of it as a safekeeping charge. You'll also see your total investment clearly reflected on this page. Once satisfied, click Proceed. You'll now be asked to choose your payment option. 1. NGN wallet. Select this if you already have money in your Bamboo wallet. 2. Bamboo USD wallet. 3. NGN debit credit card with a Flutterwave fee of $2,000. Since our 100,000 is already in the NGN wallet, simply select Option 1, NGN wallet. The next page displays Purchase Successful. Your Treasury bill for 358 days has been completed successfully. Instantly, you will also receive an email confirming your Treasury bill investment has been processed successfully. And just like that, your money is officially working for you. And this is how wealth is built quietly and realistically, through understanding and intentional investing. On Finance with Successful Success, we don't just invest, we invest with clarity, confidence, and control. If this helped you, subscribe and share with someone who needs to make their money work smarter. Until next time, stay financially successful.